Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a box around text in Word. So for us to get this done, I'm just going to show you the thing that we're working with as of the moment, which is this one right here. So yeah, for us to do that, let's go over and highlight the word or the part that we want to have a box. Now there are two things that we can do this. You can just go over here and then click the outside borders just like so, and you can see that now there is exactly like that. But what if, say for example, this is very thin, because by default this is very thin. You can head over to borders and shading, and here choose the box, and you can go ahead and adjust the width from here. So if I say just one, all right, hit OK, you can see that now it's not so thick. But you can go again and try to make adjustment here in order for you to find the thickness that you want. Oops, where is it? Like this one, like this box, click OK, and there you go. So yeah, that's the easiest way in order for us to add a box around text in Word.